Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a LeetCode, which is LeetCode 2415 reverse odd level of binary tree. So here is given a binary tree. You have to reverse the odd level. Okay, odd level means this is the zero. The 2 is in zeroth level. 3 and 5 is in 1th level, and 8, 13, 21 and 34 is in 2th level. Okay, so 0, 1 and 2, these are the level. You have to reverse only the odd level. Odd level means 3 and 5 should be reversed into 5 and 3. Okay, and then you just have to return the tree node in the same way. 0 and 1, 13 and 11 will be reversed. You have to follow these steps, and after this you just have to return the tree node. So let's do this. I will create the function traverse, which will pass root ka left, root ka right, comma true. Means I will first assume that it is following the condition. Okay, so let's return the root. Let's make the void traverse function. This will only swap the value of an odd level. Tree node, tree node left, tree node right, comma bool flag, which is initially true. Okay, then I will check if left is equals to null or right is equals to null. If it is null, then I just have to return. Okay, and again I will check if if flag is true, then I just have to do swap the value of left ka val, comma right comma. Okay, you have to do the swap, and then you just have to traverse the function, traverse the left ka left, and then again right ka right, and then reverse. Reverse means what I'm doing is not equals to flag. Okay, and then traverse left ka right, comma right ka left, and not equals to flag. Okay, the spelling of flag is wrong again. Let's run this code. This code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.